Yeah, how did I miss that the first time? How loud you yelled after you scored.
And I thought I jumped like way off the ground, and I don't even think I left the ice. But that Learn to Play program you learn is amazing. And actually a new series starts tomorrow, so you can still sign up. And you don't need any experience.
You need none. They said they have had people who are gripping the wall who have no idea how to skate, and they get them playing hockey by the end of it. Wow. And look what they did with us after one class.
Yeah, I mean, I've gone skating here or there. You have too, but it's mainly just been
really
like
here or there.
Kind of built,
like
stay along the boards.
5 times in my life.
Yeah, that was I hope to be back.
That
is something I hope to
keep. And it's
a lot of fun.
Yeah, that they'll ease you into it, and it's not intimidating.
Yeah.
So I think that's a good.
They're very nice. They help you get the gear. Yeah, it's
just
really
nice. That's a nice approach to things in life. I feel like as you get older, because a lot of times you think, well, goodness, it's so hard to start up a new sport or anything.
Oh, yeah.
I wish we could kind of have that same mentality, ease you into winter. Unfortunately, I feel like we got kind of a nice little blast of it this last weekend, especially in the mountains. So we'll kind of take a quick look back at what happened. We did have a lot of snow piling up for many of our ski areas. And again, note that these storm totals are not necessarily going to be exact for each of the ski areas, because we rely on their snow stake images and their websites for how much snow they picked up at those specific areas. But again, some of them are a little bit off, and some actually not ready to go for the season yet. So Sun Valley, about 5 inches on their snow stake right now. So hopefully they picked up more over the weekend. Bogus Basin about 7 inches, but Brundage posted, I saw on social media, that they've had over 18 inches since Friday. Tamarack over 27. They both have some snow on their snow stakes this morning, so if that hasn't been calculated, these numbers here should be higher. So our northern mountains certainly saw a lot of fresh snow. Still coming down at Bogus Basin, more light now than it was about an hour ago, but they've got 3 inches on their snow stake this morning, so certainly starting to look a little bit like winter at our ski areas, and that's a blessing for them, and for us here in the valley, just makes for some beautiful scenery. As far as the rest of the next 7 days, I think our best chance for some wet weather is going to be Friday of this week. If you are just trying to plan out your week and know, all right, when am I going to need the umbrella or the rain gear, might be able to hold off on the car wash until after that. An active pattern is still shaping up today. Few hit or miss rain and snow showers, maybe Thursday into Friday, our next chance for some wet weather. Temperatures this week also going to stay below average. So as our storm moves on, packs its bags and zips out, it's leaving behind very cold air. The coldest temp of the season today will slowly climb back toward average by the weekend, but again, it's going to take until at least Friday into Saturday for our temps to get back into the 50s. A little bit of a messy picture here on the satellite radar, mostly out toward the western edge of the state, but yes, you see some snow showers developing. Temperatures are cold enough to support a rain-snow mix. We've got a little pocket of rain out there south of Canyon County. Elsewhere in the Pacific Northwest, just kind of a messy picture, hit or miss shower activity. Most everything is snow except for here in the lowest valleys, and again, it's just very hit or miss as the storm kind of starts to fall apart and move on. We could still see some lingering snow showers in the mountains, maybe producing up to an inch of snow at some areas. Again, some of the ski areas kind of cashing in a little bit this morning too. As we fast forward through the evening, though, I'm expecting skies to finally clear out, and it's going to get very cold tonight as that happens. Could be talking about patchy fog by tomorrow morning, but a different story coming into play for these next couple days. Drier air, but it's going to be colder tomorrow. Or today, excuse me, high of 43. That's the last day we saw that kind of temperature. It's been since February 28th of 2017. So coldest temperature since the end of February coming at us today. So taking you through the day again, waking up right around freezing at that point here in the Treasure Valley. So that's where if we see some of the lingering showers, they could come as snowflakes. Idaho City 29 early on today. We're up to the low 40s, if not upper 30s for us here in the valley heading into the lunch hour. And then we're topping out only at 43 today, backing off into the 30s as early as 6 p.m. hinting at a cold night ahead. We're going to be back in the 20s around here. McCall, though, tonight, 8 degrees for your overnight low. So that should be very, very cold and close to a record low in the Burns area. If they get down to 7 degrees, they'll tie that record for coldest night on this date in history. So some very cold weather coming our way. Coldest day of the season today, and then tomorrow really not changing too much, except we'll ditch the cloud cover. So should be sunny, but it's still going to feel chilly. Winds will pick up on Wednesday. A few more clouds moving in ahead of another system Thursday, Friday. I think for us, the best chance for rain does look to be Friday, but know that it could be a couple days of iffy weather there depending on the timing of this. And of course, things can change, but we'll be keeping our eyes out. Weekend looking dry, highs in the low to mid 50s, and then another storm probably rolling in around the corner for us early next